I'm scared.
From you see me a cleanest, clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching ching, inna the Louis V vest, girl want with his squeeze.
Hey guys, welcome to or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please remember to subscribe, and if you're not new, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be doing a little weekend vlog, you know what I'm saying? So please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share it with a friend, you know what I'm saying? Because that's how you help your girl out. And yeah, enjoy the video. Fish, my dad is going to come pick me up and we're going to grab some fish. So on back road, I'm going to get some fish and then I'm going to head back home and continue my cleaning. Anyways, people, we're going back road.
Wait.
So the back road we go.
I'm doing this.
I'm not so mad, man.
Yeah, got back road on the journey.
No, we don't talk about a video on our sitting and cutting about. Anyway, people, I'm heading to back road.
But the back road we go, Danny? I like better?
Yeah, go buy some around.
I stay back road we go.
Oh, back road in the funny map.
Back road
I just them girls they eat the day, you know?
I don't mean it. That's the woman that we're in a port in the start back road. Me, people say, okay.
Oh, put in the stadium.
Alright, port in this one.
As I tell sorry, say I got back road, they think I front you, I got to sell her by.
Yeah, yeah, really. You didn't want us to wait. So I sell her by, you know?
Bye, me go buy.
Rich, hi man, hi.
I'm just another meet with my daughter here now.
You can't leave
All
me
the
alone.
bless.
This is bullying, you know.
Oh.
I said this is bullying.
No, this is not bullying, Rastafari, I the bless.
Because of how I'm just this man, I come and just Rastafari like this.
And I represent your culture. Joe!
Stop. Are you across me?
You think say I'm kind of
Hey man, no, he's giving us a blind. Is this sliding back? Don't embarrass me on the road, you know. This is where my dad always come by and fish them. Alright, I want 5 pound of snapper. Yeah.
Hello.
You want to give me something? You want to buy something else? Lionfish. Daddy, are the doctor want this?
Yeah. You want doctor too? Yeah.
No, somebody did want. You're not buy doctor food? No? Okay. Somebody wanted doctor fish, but I never knew.
What a little now?
Nice. Alright. It's like a little beach side, but this is like probably where the fish did whatever docks, and then you have the water. But there's not like really a beach. It's just like a fishing village of some sort. It's not like somewhere where you come. Oh, there's a ship over there. But there's a ship right there. The sea is very like them, you know, kind of messy a little bit. But oh, it's so nice. Oh, look at that birdie. Oh, there's a lot of birds out here. Oh my god. I'm not in the ship on me. Like very peaceful though. It's like a beach, but not a beach. I don't know if I should put my foot in there. Should I? I'm almost tempted to. Should I? I don't know. I'm going to do it. I'm scared! Whee! Ooh. That's as far as I'm going. Put my shoes back on. Like a little beach cleanup out here because beer buckle. It's not a beach, it's a fishing village, so I can't really expect anything there. So, but yeah, I'm afraid that fired, you know, like my fire shining, you know, the sunset beaming. I'm just waiting on my fish to be scaled and gutted. In the meantime, we're going to enjoy this beautiful scenery. sound of like the waves crashing against the shore is so therapeutic for me. And the water while I go, see one stingray. Wait there. Wait, which part him gone? Right there. When you can't even see him. Bomba! Him there right there, so. See, you wanna see Taylor while I go? No, you put on see, dog. See it right there, so. Wanna see him? Bomba clock! I'm there, so I kick off my foot like I say. Yo! Here's some pronounce out the back road. Pronounce right out here. Stingray in the water, I'm there, I kick up my foot like I say. No. I don't like this. Yeah, come go home. Lady done? She done in a daddy? Made it home and I have my fish. 5 pound of snackle. And it came up to 7,000 mash. I think 7,500 some dollars. I don't know, but $7,000 for this 5 pound. Why fish raised though like a month ago or so? I used to get it for like $5,000 or something, but whatever. We got our fish! I'm gonna close now, people, and my still going so. I'm gonna name my mango right now. And yeah, man, I wash two clothes and them something there. And boss me, I fuck up the mango here right now, you see it? Just look at it and take a good look. I'm someone wishing that eat the mango here. Mango sweet and fart. Yeah, man, and what's it called? Jesus Christ. Anyways, I'm gonna do my chores and now wash out them something and go and do the thing. I'm gonna catch you in the back later with me and do something more interesting because I'm sure no one wants to see me and wash clothes. Please go on, go deep for me. They can't chat to me now. Rapunzel in the blood clot. Is not Rapunzel length, but I have a length. It's just that look at this. Look how you see the shrinkage, bro? Like look at the shrinkage, bro. And best believe when it dries, it shrinks up even shorter than this. But look at this. You see what I'm saying? My hair loves to embarrass me like this. Like this is so nostalgic. I know that any Jamaican person watching this right now can relate to this, bro. Everybody mother used to watch them here on Saturday and plait it up and make it dry, and then on Sunday you get big papa hairstyle. Either you got hair just your mother sit down and come here on Sunday evening. Oh, come on, be so for real. I'ma come out now, but them kill them now. I'ma come out in me, but them kill them hairstyle. Watch Mama Ram go out. Mighty. Oh God, me feel like I beg me down some manish water, you know, for somebody funeral. Come curry me, barbecue me, and fry me. Talk to me now. I'm so pretty. If you want to feel confidence, come to Jamaica. Please just come to Jamaica for like a month, bro. You will leave feeling so beautiful, like so beautiful in your natural skin, like no fucking joke. I've never felt more confident in myself, like in my natural form. Like me coming upon yourself like this is crazy. You know what I mean? Like if me did that Canada, me would have never do this. The opinion, you hear that?
The blood of Jesus against you, Satan. Devil, Lucifer. Get behind me, Lucifer. Lucifer.
Anything you have to go run out, you know. Come on, I'm gonna swipe off the veranda a while ago. And watch it. Rain a fall. My clothes the runner back wet up. I never any sense you take them out because they already wet on the line same way. But I may tell you. Just salt so. Bucket and I'm up here and then I'm gonna pack up. Yo! Let me have 1%. Babe, big up my friend. Big up my friend. But yeah, we're walking to the top of Waterford to get jerk chicken. And yeah, we have a drinks now and cheers.
Big up me.
Yeah.
Follow me, man.
Your man sip power liquor, you know. What you get to?
I go chug it, what? I'm gonna start running out in the middle of the road.
Me nah care. Come on, yeah, make sure you say you sip it. I'm in the able. Fear, yeah, mother.
Yeah, lift me up. Why should I want?
No man, for real. But anyways, we'll see when we reach up at top because this not gonna work.
Probably
When I go just take in the shadow because you know there's no light. And the right side we switch for a minute.
Someone one there too.
Alright, the toilet, yeah, we're drinking the same, I guess I could say.
Kyle, what you mean by? I'm not a hard drinker, but I feel like me a keeper. I bet you my chug yours. You with me? No, not your man.
No, Chloe. Together.
Alright. Ready?
Ready? We're ready for Yeah.
Good shit.
I just saw the fucker starting now. Good night. Chicken is secured. Secured.
Fried and pork. Fried rice and pork.
So let's
Fried
hear
rice
this.
and pork.
You know what I'm saying?
Fried rice and pork for my dinner. Yeah.
I look right now, I look crazy because I'm trying to braid my hair.
Come here, bring that dick here.
You remember my aunt watches this? Actually, I'm glad that she's seen that you're not a saint. But yeah, I'm doing my hair, but maybe eat some food first and then pray for me because bitch,
We're tired. I almost did my watch all the way there.
nowhere.
Turn off!
Good morning. It is Saturday and we look crazy because my hair isn't done. But we're coming along, you know, we're coming along. Look at her. This is how it looks right now. And yeah, I had leftover jerk chicken for breakfast. Sauce up. Is it sauce up or sweet up? I always get them confused. But this thing here, I just took it out of the freezer because I like my fruits very cold and I'm going to sit here and eat this. I know people typically juice this fruit, but I buy it and eat it just like this. I was so determined to find a bit of this that would be saved, salvageable. So I guess half of it is like, more than half of it is like spoiled, but there are bits and pieces that are good. And those bits and pieces I am going to eat. I wish the entire thing was good. Like, what the hell? Along with my jerk chicken, we're going to have some papaya because as you saw, the sauce up was rotten. I'm so disappointed about that because I had it in a freezer and everything, just waiting for the perfect time to eat it. And now there's no perfect time because it's spoiled, right? But anyways, we're going to have some papaya. And then we're going to continue doing our hair. Let's get this gunk out. I'm giving you guys the first bite. Sweet. Laundry outside on the line that I need to pick up. So after I finish my breakfast, we're going to pick them up because I'm pretty sure they're dry. Because it looks like the rain is about to fall. I'm very lazy today. I'm doing everything but braid my hair or go outside and pick up the clothes in my for the line. I'm closing my for the line because you know we can't leave them out here. Yeah. I'm a little bag. And so I have my bag of laundry right there. I have a cow's bags juice. I don't know what flavor this is. It's pink and a June plum. So I'm going to eat this and I'm going to watch Sherry Quran with Barbara because I saw like this clip on TikTok where Barbara was cussing, not cussing, but talking about Pampete, I guess Pampete or $60,000. And I'm just here for the tea. So yeah, I'm gonna go watch that. And yeah, these are the bag juice I'm talking about. I don't know what flavor this is though. It's pink. I've never seen a pink cow's bag juice. Good morning. It is Sunday and we're gonna close the vlog out here. A Sunday, light gone. JPS needs to do better. JPS has to do better because the light gone from 9:33. It is now 1:33. From 9:33 and I know 1:33 and the light's still gone. About 4 hours now. Almost 5 hours now the light gone. That's so wild to me. That is so fucking wild to me, bro. People not them close to end for our work tomorrow. Just people just have nothing for the song. No, so I have to come up with something better. Or if that's the case, if you're going to inconvenience your customers this often for this long, you need to run back the meter. Yeah, man. 5 hours before the light cut off, when I get charged for that. Because you take 5 hours away there. So 5 hours before the light cut off, when I get charged for that shit. You see what I'm saying? Because this a fuckery now, brother. 5 hours. A joke thing this. Remember, I'm telling you. Like, gone. I was supposed to go to church today. I'm not doing that anymore. I'm gonna make steamed fish. I don't want to record that because you guys already see me make steamed fish. So I'm gonna end the vlog right here. And like how the light gone, I'm gonna use the time to edit that vlog here. So yeah. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And tell a friend stuff from what your girls doing on this channel. You know what I'm saying? And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Anyway, oh, I'm never showing them my ear. This is how she turned out. Cute. Cute. Anyways,
It's been fun. I had a time.
Thanks for having me.
Thanks for having me.
I'm out.
All right.